Welcome to my channel, Next Generation Car World. Today we're diving into one of the most aggressive and exciting luxury SUVs of 2025, the new BMW XM tuned by the legendary Mansory. If you think the standard BMW XM was already bold, just wait until you see what Mansory has done with it. This isn't just a luxury SUV, it's a statement on wheels. From the moment you lay eyes on the Mansory BMW XM, you know this isn't your typical performance SUV. The wide-body kit gives it an even more dominant road presence, with sharp, angular lines and a redesigned front fascia that screams power. Mansory has fitted it with massive carbon fiber intakes, a more aggressive grille, and a sporty hood design that not only looks stunning but improves airflow and engine cooling. It's not just about looks either, this car has performance upgrades to match. Under the hood, the XM already came with a twin-turbocharged V8 hybrid powertrain, but Mansory has taken it even further. With performance tuning and engine remapping, the power output now pushes well beyond the standard 738 horsepower, delivering jaw-dropping acceleration for a vehicle of its size. The combination of electric torque and V8 power means instant response whether you're cruising the highway or launching from a standstill. This SUV doesn't just look like a beast, it moves like one too. On the sides, you'll see flared fenders, forged carbon accents, and custom 23-inch wheels that not only enhance the stance but also reduce unsprung weight for better handling. The wheels are wrapped in ultra-high performance tires, giving you all the grip you need to push this monster through corners. Around back, Mansory has fitted a dramatic rear diffuser, quad exhaust tips, and a roof spoiler that adds a touch of race-inspired aggression. Step inside and you're greeted with a completely redesigned interior. Mansory goes all out with bespoke craftsmanship. Premium leather and Alcantara wrap every surface, and the stitching is fully customizable, matching or contrasting with the bold exterior color schemes. Carbon fiber trims, illuminated panels, and upgraded digital displays make the cabin feel futuristic and ultra-premium. It's not just a performance machine, it's a luxury lounge on wheels. And of course, no Mansory build is complete without exclusivity. Each model is hand-built and limited in number, so owning one is not just about driving, it's about making a statement. Whether you're pulling up to a red carpet or carving through the mountains, this vehicle ensures you arrive with maximum impact. So, what do you think of the 2025 BMW XM by Mansory? Is it too much, or just the right mix of performance, luxury, and bold design? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next drop here on Next Generation Car World. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.